In the vast world of artificial intelligence, a new champion rises. Google Bard just got a massive update and it's spinning a new tale of innovation. Picture this. You're lounging on a Sunday afternoon, sipping your favorite brew, and you need to draft an email, write an article, or perhaps pen a witty social media post. But your creative juice seems to be on a lazy break. What do? Well, you summon the Bard, Google Bard. Born from the sprawling tech labyrinth of Google, Bard is more than just a fancy AI tool. It's a digital wordsmith, a virtual Shakespeare, if you will, that crafts engaging content, tells compelling stories, and even drafts professional emails. And now with a recent update, it's more potent than ever. You're probably thinking, but chatbots are dime a dozen these days. What's so special about Google Bard? Well, folks, it's not just any chatbot. It's a sophisticated AI that's designed to understand the nuances of human language, the subtleties of tone and context, and the art of storytelling. In the past, you may have heard of ChatGPT and OpenAI, the reigning champions of the AI world. They're the titans that have been setting the benchmarks. But now, Google Bard has entered the ring, and it's giving them a run for their money. AI has seeped into our daily lives in countless ways. It's helping us find the quickest route to work, suggesting movies we might like, and even helping us find love. But Google Bard is taking it a step further. It's not just about performing tasks. It's about understanding us, connecting with us, and communicating in a way that feels almost human. Google Bard is not just another AI, it's a glimpse into the future of technology. It's a testament to the power of innovation and the endless possibilities of artificial intelligence. So let's dive into the realm of Google Bard and see how it's making waves in the AI ocean. In the left corner, we have ChatGPT and OpenAI, the reigning champs, and in the right corner, the challenger, Google Bard. In the world of artificial intelligence, it's a clash of titans. Each of these platforms has its unique strengths. ChatGPT, for instance, has been noted for its ability to generate human-like text, while OpenAI boasts a reputation for its broad applications, from drafting emails to writing Python code. Yet, Google Bard has entered the ring with a noteworthy update. It's not just about generating text anymore, it's about understanding context, picking up nuances, and delivering a more personalized user experience. It's like having your own personal Bard spinning tales and sharing wisdom tailored to you. But that's not all. Google Bard now showcases a significantly improved performance in terms of speed and accuracy. It's faster, it's sharper, it's more intuitive. It's like comparing a horse-drawn carriage to a sleek, modern sports car. Now, let's talk about the cons. ChatGPT and OpenAI have had their share of criticism. Some users find their outputs to be a bit generic, lacking in creativity. They're good, but they're not perfect. Google Bard, on the other hand, has its own set of challenges. There's the hurdle of compatibility, for instance. It needs to work seamlessly with a range of devices and software. Then there's the question of data privacy, a concern that's become increasingly important in the digital age. Yet with this recent update, Google Bard seems to be addressing these issues head-on. It's not just about making a better AI, it's about making an AI that better understands us, our needs, our quirks, our way of expressing ourselves. To put it simply, Google Bard is not just playing the game, it's changing the game. It's not just about fitting into the existing landscape of AI, it's about reshaping that landscape, carving its own path. In this clash of titans, Google Bard is proving to be more than just a contender. It's a game changer. It's a sign of what's possible when technology meets creativity, when innovation meets imagination. As we can see, Google Bard is not just a contender, it's a game changer. Now, let's explore the new features that Google Bard brings to the table. Picture this, you're drafting an email, and you're stuck on how to phrase your thoughts. Enter the new Google Bard. With its active suggestion feature, it can predict what you want to say and suggest a whole sentence or even a paragraph for you. It's like having a professional writer as your personal assistant, guiding your thoughts and helping you express yourself clearly and effectively. But the magic doesn't stop there. Google Bard has upped its game with dynamic language learning. This feature allows it to learn from its interactions with you in the world. It's not just a parrot repeating the same phrases over and over again. No, Google Bard evolves and adapts, absorbing new words, phrases, and even slangs. This means it's always in tune with the latest language trends, making your interactions more natural and up-to-date. Ever wanted to learn a new language but found it too daunting? Google Bard has got you covered. With its multilingual mode, it can help you learn and practice new languages. Whether you're learning Spanish for a trip to Barcelona or brushing up on your Mandarin for a business meeting, Google Bard is there to assist you. And let's not forget about emotion recognition. Google Bard can now understand the emotional context of your messages, so if you're feeling happy, sad, or angry, Google Bard will adjust its responses to match your mood. It's more than just an AI, it's an empathetic companion. On top of all these, Google Bard has introduced Privacy Plus, a feature that ensures your conversations remain confidential. It's like having a lockbox for your thoughts and ideas. You can trust Google Bard to keep your secrets safe. So, whether you're a writer, a language learner, a business professional, or just someone looking for a friendly chat, Google Bard has something for you. Its new features are designed to make your life easier and your interactions smoother. Google Bard is not just an AI, it's a toolbox full of innovative solutions. Now that we've seen what Google Bard can do, let's talk about its impact on our lives. Picture for a moment a world where AI isn't just a tool, but a partner. A partner in education, business, entertainment, you name it. That's the world Google Bard is helping to create. In education, imagine having an AI tutor, available 24/7, that can provide personalized learning experiences, answer questions, and even grade assignments. Google Bard's capabilities extend beyond simply providing information, adapting to each student's unique learning style, making education more accessible and comprehensive. Now let's talk business. Google Bard is revolutionizing the way we approach customer service and data analysis. Imagine an AI that can handle customer queries with the nuance and empathy of a human, while simultaneously analyzing data to provide insights that drive business growth. That's not just efficient, it's transformative. In the entertainment industry, Google Bard is redefining content creation. From script writing to game development, its capabilities are pushing the boundaries of creativity. It can generate narratives, character dialogues, and even plot twists, making it an invaluable asset for creators. Google Bard is also changing the way we interact with AI. It's not just about issuing commands and receiving responses anymore. We're moving towards a more conversational and intuitive relationship with AI, one where our digital assistants understand us, our preferences, our quirks, and our sense of humor. This makes our interactions with AI more meaningful and enjoyable, and less robotic. But it's not just about what Google Bard can do for us, it's also about what we can do with it. Its open source nature invites us all to contribute, to experiment, and to innovate. It's providing a platform for us to shape the future of AI, and that's empowering. So whether you're a student, a business owner, an artist, or just someone who enjoys a good chat with their digital assistant, Google Bard is making a difference. It's making our lives easier, our work more efficient, our education more personalized, and our entertainment more engaging. With Google Bard, the future of AI interaction looks more intuitive and user-friendly. The tale of Google Bard is still being written. What does the future hold? Let's plunge into this narrative and find out. As we stand on the precipice of a new era, Google Bard is a beacon, illuminating the path for artificial intelligence. The Bard, like a mythical creature, is evolving, learning, and growing with each interaction, each story told, and each ballad woven. In the grand tapestry of AI, Google Bard has carved out its own niche. It's no longer playing catch-up with the titans of AI, but setting the pace. The Bard has shown us that AI can be more than a tool. It can be a partner that can weave tales, spin stories, and create content that is engaging, creative, and human-like. The future of Google Bard is not fixed, it's fluid. It's a future that will be shaped by the needs and wants of its users, by the trends in technology, and by the advancements in AI. One can picture a world where Google Bard isn't just a writer, but a storyteller, a poet, a lyricist, and more. It could become the Shakespeare of AI, creating masterpieces that resonate with people on a deep emotional level. But Google Bard is not just influencing its own future, it's influencing the future of AI. It's raising the bar for what we can expect from artificial intelligence. It's forcing us to rethink our definitions of creativity, to question the boundaries between human and machine, to reimagine what is possible. The Bard is not just changing the game, it's rewriting the rules. It's pushing the boundaries of what AI can do, challenging our preconceptions and opening up new possibilities. It's a testament to Google's commitment to innovation, to pushing the envelope, to never settling for the status quo. Google Bard is more than an AI. It's a vision of a future where technology and humans coexist in harmony. It's a future that is exciting, awe-inspiring, and dare we say it, poetic. So, as we look to the horizon, let's not just see a future, let's see a bard's tale.